Thank you for tuning in to Tamala's World. As you can see from my previous video that my fur babies wanted me to cook for them, I had to take a real estate quiz. And in the midst of all that, I got hungry and got ready to prepare my food. But needless to say, I couldn't cook because my meat was still frozen. So I had to wait at least about an hour or two for my for my meat to unthaw. And then once it's unthawed, what we about to see in this next video, that I'm about to show you, is me preparing my food and cooking my food. But I did a little twist on it. I prepped and cooked my food in the ASMR form. Like, I turned it into an ASMR video, right? So before we dive into this video, don't forget to click that bell notification so you'll know every time I drop a video. Don't forget to hit that like. Don't forget to hit the share button, and don't forget to subscribe so you get more great videos. Okay? Cool. So now let's dive into this video, and so you can see how I prepped and cooked my dinner. I hope you enjoyed my video. I'm sure you did because I did. My food, it was great. So, don't forget to, once again, like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification so you'll know every time that I drop. Until next time, thank you for joining me in Tamala's World. Bye.